I'm Jenny Bruce, Head of Qualifications Content at ACCA, and I want to explain how you should use the resources that we provide to help you make the most of our new 4-session exam year. 4 sessions give you more opportunities to pass. We always encourage students to use approved tuition and study materials from approved content providers. ACCA also provides a wide range of resources to complement these and support you in your studies. You can access all of the resources that ACCA provides directly through the resource finder on the website. Another easy way to find the resources that you need is via Student Accountant, our e-magazine dedicated to all ACCA students, which contains features, articles, profiles and exam support advice to help you through your studies. You can customise your editions of Student Accountant so that you receive targeted updates on exactly the exams that you are currently studying for. You should also join our learning community, where you can join online study groups and receive personal invitations to learning room events that are relevant to you. Self-study guides are available that give great insight into each exam and help you plan your studies and use all of the resources most effectively. Finally, any guidance on how to study for the exams always mentions that you should practice plenty of exam-style questions. Once you've studied the syllabus, your revision should focus on question practice. This is what I want to look at in most detail, to explain how you should go about this and how you can make best use of past exam questions. We're continuing to publish sample exams twice a year after the December and June sessions. These exams are compiled from questions that have appeared in the last 2 sessions. For example, after the December exam session, we'll publish a sample exam containing questions from the September and December sessions. The contents of the sample exams are selected carefully by the examining team so that they contain the questions that will be most helpful to students. This could be questions on subject areas that are new to the syllabus, new styles of requirements, or on topics that students tend to struggle with. The very best source of question practice is to be found in the question and answer banks published by the approved content providers. Exams on the ACCA website appear just as they did when the exams were set, but the approved content providers update the questions and answers in their banks each year to reflect syllabus changes, legislation and examinable document changes, and changes in exam format. These are reviewed by the examining team to ensure they're a good reflection of exam style. The approved content providers will also include questions that are based on topics that have not yet appeared in the exams. Now, let's look at how to get the most out of your question practice. There's no point trying to question spot. The exams can and do test the whole syllabus. There's also no point in trying to memorise answers. Those past questions will not appear again, and you will not get marks for writing out an answer that you've learnt to a different question. There's also little to be gained from trying to look at every single question that has ever appeared. No matter how many you see, the ones that you see in your exam will be brand new. What you should do is to make a genuine attempt at a good range of questions from across the syllabus. You need to be able to apply what you've learned. Then you should spend time reviewing your answer against the suggested solution and learning from what's gone well and from what's gone wrong. This is how you will get more and more familiar with the key points in each subject area and improve your exam technique. That way, you'll build up confidence that you can tackle the exam. Another key resource that you should look at is the examiner's report. This report is produced after every session by the team who mark the exams. The report gives constructive advice to future candidates. This could include flagging common knowledge gaps or pointing out weaknesses in exam technique and giving advice on how this could be improved. You should aim to read several sessions worth of these reports. You will see some key themes coming out, and these will really help you focus your preparation for your exam. Again, you shouldn't use these to try to memorise how a specific past question should have been answered. What you should look for in these reports are the main issues that are being discussed, so that you can go into your exam better prepared for whatever question you are faced with. The examining teams produce a range of guidance for candidates. They really do want you to pass. For each subject, there's an examiner's approach article and interview. There are short videos called 5 Minutes with the Examining Team, giving more insight from the team who set and mark your exams. They also write, or ask experienced tutors to write, articles or prepare videos on topics or exam technique points where they can see that more help is needed. The examining teams also suggest topics and support the revision sessions and retake sessions that take place in the learning room. Do make use of all of these resources. They can make a real difference to your confidence and your chances of success. I hope that this short video has given you some helpful ideas on how to prepare for your exams. Good luck.